I just realized I should have done like day 1 of me not being able to go to the hairdresser. Day 2 of me not being able to go to the hairdresser. It's really funny. My hair is starting to become way too long. So guys, today we are talking about the Rode VideoMicro. And that's because this is the mic I bought to bring my audio quality to the next level. And I have a few things that I think you guys should know if you're thinking about, well, bring your audio to the next level or thinking about buying this microphone. So just before we begin, you guys are absolutely amazing. The channel is growing so fast. The number of people subscribed watching these videos is all the way up to 8.7%. So if you're part of that 91.3% of people watching these videos that aren't yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe, ding my bell, become part of the 360p gang. Follow me on my social media here and here because I want to hear what you guys have to say. Join our Discord, join our Reddit, and let's begin. So I'm going to make this review speaking in kind of dumbed down terms because I feel like not everybody buying a microphone is an audio genius, and that includes me, by the way. I just need something that works really, really well. This is the Rode VideoMicro, and just by looking at it like this, it doesn't seem very impressive. As you can see, this is the part where the microphone will be picking up the audio, so it will pick up the audio way better in the front than it will in the back. With this microphone, you get a little cable like this. This cable will be used to connect the microphone to your camera. This cable will not work for your phone, but thankfully, I also bought a second cable, and this cable will connect to your phone if you have like an audio jack or you have a USB-C to audio connector. So you could actually buy this cable and use this microphone with your phone, which is really nice, but I don't do that because my phone has a terrible amp. So when I connect this, it just sounds like pure garbage. Then you get this little shock mount, which is actually pretty okay. People give it a lot of criticism. I think this is pretty okay. So the microphone just kind of slides onto the shock mount like that. So that's it there. And then a lot of people give it criticism that it's very floppy, but what they don't know, or what they don't seem to know, is that you just clip in that there, and then to stop it from being floppy, these grooves here are for the cable. And now it's not floppy anymore. So there you go, life hack 101. As you can see, that's what you do. You clip the little cable in there and then it's not floppy anymore. And that works really, really well. So as I said before, the microphone like this itself doesn't seem very impressive, but you get a dead cat with it. And not only does this work really, really well for reducing wind, but it also looks really cool. So again, a lot of people criticize this one for when you put it on, it just kind of slides off really easily. Basically what you want to do is when you're putting it on, there's these little grooves on the microphone itself over here, like a little bit further. So you want to slide the dead cat onto those grooves. It's a little bit hard, but once you get it on there, there you go. And now you can tug all you want. It won't come off. There you go. So that's that. And then you can put your shock mount on. So there you go. Now the shock mount is on and the dead cat is on. And you can pull all you want at the dead cat and it won't be coming off. And once I have this on, I usually never take it off. So it just kind of stays like this. So there we go. And then the cable goes into one of these grooves like so. And there you go. All of a sudden, your little Rode VideoMicro looks a lot more impressive. So now I'm going to power off the camera and I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like and exactly how you're supposed to put it on to your camera. And then we are going to do a few audio tests with me modifying the audio in Premiere Pro, without modifying the audio in Premiere Pro, adding noise gain, reducing noise gain, things like that. Just before we do that, I want to let you know that my camera is on +2 dB when it comes to external microphones, because that's just the setting I found works. So let's do that. Okay, I hope that the quality isn't too bad right now. We are on my phone. So as you can see, my camera has a horseshoe mount right there. So this is the Panasonic G7. And all you do is you want to slide the Rode VideoMicro on there, tighten it down like this. And once it's nice and tight, I kind of line up one of the grooves there so that I can later on, so I can put one of the cables into the grooves like that. So now the cable is in the groove and I can just connect it to my camera. There we go. And that's it. Okay, so right now, this is the Rode VideoMicro on my Lumix G7 with me speaking from all the way over here. I'm speaking at like a pretty normal voice level, I would say. This is me without modifying the audio at all in Premiere Pro. This is the exact same distance, this time with me modifying the audio in Premiere Pro. As you can see, the microphone does very, very well. It does pick up a little bit of noise around me, but mainly that is my computer fans and not actually any noise that would be a problem. So if you were vlogging, this would be very good. But this microphone is perfect for closer up shots because, as you know, not everybody records like I do. Or the camera is pretty far away from me, not everybody would do that. So let's come closer and see how it fares when the microphone is actually closer to my face, like most people would record. So this is how I feel most people would actually record. So this is the camera pretty close to my face. As you can see, it's kind of like a headshot, like a mug shot. So this is the Rode VideoMicro without any modifying audio settings in Premiere Pro from this close-up. As you can see, it's quite a lot better than it was earlier. Now, this is the Rode VideoMicro with me doing just my typical noise reduction and audio gain in Premiere Pro. As you can see, does very, very well. So yeah, I mean, for vlogging, this thing is absolutely insane. So if you're planning on maybe vlogging or starting up a YouTube channel, and you're going to have the camera this far away from you, and you don't have a noisy computer like I do, then I'd say this is actually pretty damn good. So yeah, now switching back to my main mic, which is over here, because I'm pretty far away from the Rode VideoMicro, I think it is absolutely great for the price. So yeah, I think it works pretty damn well, especially for the price. Now, for me, it was either the Rode VideoMicro or the Rode VideoMic Go. And after watching multiple reviews, I found out that the Rode VideoMic Go actually has a lot of problems where, for example, it hears weird clicking from the camera or just hears weird noises from the camera, autofocusing, etc., things like that. So I decided to go for the Rode VideoMicro. Now, in the future, I might buy the Rode VideoMic Go and do a comparison for you guys, because this is the budget end of the microphone spectrum, which is why I think a lot of you might be interested in these to bump up your audio game. But if you ask me, this is really good. It surpassed all my expectations, especially while vlogging, because to be honest, I didn't really expect it to do very well from this far away because it is a tiny little microphone. But when you're vlogging or when you have the camera much closer, which hopefully soon I will be able to do when my tripod comes, everything from Amazon is delayed right now, then I think the audio level is absolutely insane. If you guys are thinking of buying the Rode VideoMicro or are wondering against the Rode VideoMicro or the Rode VideoMic Go, I would definitely recommend you guys watch a few of the reviews, because the reviews really do tell you a lot. The comparisons between the two. Now, as I said, I'm unfortunately not able to compare the two because I don't have them, but I would definitely say watch a few of the comparisons, because as I said, I watched them and the Rode VideoMic Go actually had a few problems. But if you do go for the Rode VideoMic Go, make sure to let me know how it works out for you, because I'm interested on how many people are actually getting these problems and how many aren't. But yeah, so that's going to be it for this video. Make sure to let me know what you think down in the comment section below, what microphone you are going to get to bump up your audio game if you're thinking about it, and what you thought about the audio performance of the Rode VideoMicro. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a like. It helps me out a lot and it only takes you a few seconds. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer all of them. If you like the video and you're part of that 91.3% of people that aren't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. I post tech videos daily and VR videos on Mondays and Fridays. Follow me on my social media here and here, because I really want to hear what you guys have to say and what you guys want to see in future videos. Join our Discord, join our Reddit. I want to see you posting spicy memes. So once again, if you guys want to be notified of future videos, make sure to subscribe, ding my bell, and see you again in the next one. Peace. So guys, I know this is going to be requested once again because it's requested in every video, and if I don't put it in, people get pissed. So let's do the mugs. Plus, I need my coffee. Coffee is very necessary for me. This mug is now a meme. I'm gonna start selling these for like €5 a piece. Let me know what you think. I need to make that 360p gang merch and just buy it all myself. I like the idea. And today, we're talking about the Rode VideoMicro. From Rode.